Class 9 students, I am starting new chapter trigonometrical ratio from Concise Mathematics, Selena Publisher. Chapter 22, A trigonometrical ratio. To solve these sums, we need to understand this. This is a right angle triangle. All its sides have a particular name. Opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. You have to memorize. If I consider any angle, here I consider angle C, then you can tell base and perpendicular. Considered angle nearest side is called base. This is the considered angle nearest side is base, and opposite side is perpendicular. Memorize in this way. Considered angle opposite side is perpendicular. Considered angle nearest side is base. Now these three sides, we can take the ratio of the sides: hypotenuse by perpendicular, perpendicular by hypotenuse, base by perpendicular, perpendicular by base. There are 6 combinations. So in these 6 combinations, they have a particular name. If I take perpendicular by hypotenuse, then its name is sine together with the considered angle, sine A. Similarly, cos A equal to base by hypotenuse, tan A is equal to perpendicular by base, cot A is equal to base by perpendicular, sec A is equal to hypotenuse by base, cosec A is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. You have to memorize this ratio. This ratio name, this one is sine, sine cos tan cot sec cosec. First read few times: sine cos tan cot sec cosec. It is in order: sine cos tan cot sec cosec. Then you see sine and cosec, it is opposite to one another. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by perpendicular. Then see cot and tan, this cos and sec, opposite to one another, base by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by base. Tan and cot opposite to each other, perpendicular by base, base by perpendicular. So if you learn sine cos tan, and if you just reverse, you will get cosec sec cot. Now it is difficult to memorize. That is why many techniques are there to keep in your mind. If you memorize, some people have sine equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, some people have curly brown hair, cos equal to base by hypotenuse, tan perfectly black, tan equal to perpendicular by base. So you can write down this sentence: some people have curly brown hair, tan perfectly black, and other 3 just opposite. In Bengali you can memorize in this way: Shyam Babu lamba oti. Lamba means perpendicular, oti means oti bhuj. But that will be difficult for you. You do not know Bengali term. Okay, one more technique. Sona Chandi Tol. See, Sona Chandi Tol. Pandit Bodri Prasad Hori Hori Bol. Sona means sine, Chandi means cos, Tol means tan. Pandit means perpendicular, Bodri means base, Prasad means perpendicular. Pandit Bodri Prasad. Hori, that means hypotenuse, Hori, that is hypotenuse, Bol, that is base. Sona Chandi Tol, Pandit Bodri Prasad Hori Hori Bol. You can memorize in this way also. But the best technique is, some people have curly brown hair, turns perfectly black. This is the best one to memorize. Okay, now this formula also you need to memorize. The same things I have written here. Some people have curly brown hair, turns perfectly black. And I told 1 to opposite, sine means 1 by cosec theta, cos theta because here I have considered theta. Cosec theta means 1 by sine theta, tan theta means 1 by cot theta, cot theta means 1 by tan theta, sec theta means 1 by cos theta, cosec theta means 1 by sec theta, tan theta means sine theta by cos theta, cot theta means cos theta by sine theta. Now 3 square formula are there. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now see this sum we have to do. Sum number 1. From the following figure, find the values of. So the diagram I have drawn. 3 and 4 given. If you consider this one x, then x square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So 25 means 5 square. So x equal to 5. So write here 5. Now sin A formula, some people have perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now A means this angle. So opposite is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. And right angle opposite is hypotenuse. So 5 by 4. Perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So 4 by 5 is the answer. Cos equal to base by hypotenuse. So cos A, base is the nearest side, 3. So 3 by 5. Cot means base by perpendicular. So base is 3, perpendicular is 4. Here you see sec C means this angle. So opposite 3 is perpendicular now. Hypotenuse by base is this, hypotenuse 5 by 4. Cosec C, cosec formula, hypotenuse by perpendicular, hypotenuse 5 and perpendicular, which one angle is C, so opposite 3 is perpendicular, so 5 by 3. Like this you have to do. When you are writing perpendicular base, see which angle is considered, then only you can tell which one will be base, which one will be perpendicular. Sum number 2 from this diagram. This is not given, AC. 8 and 17 given. Now AC you can find by Pythagoras theorem, 17 square minus 8 square. Small side if you want to find, then we have to subtract. Hypotenuse is the biggest. To find hypotenuse we have to give plus sign. Here I have given minus because small side we are finding. So AC value we have got. Now cos B means this angle. So opposite 15 is perpendicular. Base by hypotenuse. So base is 8 by hypotenuse 17. It will be 17, not 18. 17. Now tan C means this angle perpendicular is 8. So tan means perpendicular by base, that is 8 by 15. Now sin square B plus cos square B. Sin B means this angle perpendicular by hypotenuse 15 by 17 here. Cos means cos B. B means base is 8. 8 by hypotenuse is 17. So 8 by 17. Calculate and get answer. Similarly number 4. Sum number 3 here. I have drawn, see the sum. This is the diagram, 4 given, 3 given, 12 given. This one and this one we have to calculate. See, this one I have considered x, this one y. Now from this triangle, x square equal to 4 square plus 3 square. Here is done. And from this triangle, y square equal to 12 square minus 4 square, that is done. So 8 root 2 it is coming, that is written 8 root 2. Now see, cos A means this. So perpendicular is 4 base 3. Base by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5, done. Cosec A, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular, A means this. Hypotenuse 5, perpendicular 4, that is done. Similarly tan A sec A, from this triangle, cot C sin C. So take this triangle, keep here name K, BKC. Here this one is the perpendicular. If you consider angle C, then this is perpendicular, this is base. Then put the value and get answer. In this sum, this side is not given, so I consider x. So x square equal to 5 square minus 3 square. So x equal to 4. Now sin A, sin A is given 3 by 5. Sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular A, sin is equal to base by hypotenuse. So base, since this angle A, so base means this side and hypotenuse is this. So this one we have to calculate. And tan means perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is 4, base is 3. That is the answer. And cos A, base by hypotenuse. Base is 3, hypotenuse 5. That is the answer. Now in this sum, some teachers, they tell that since sin A given 3 by 5, so you have to consider one A here, another A here. Let this is 3A, this is 5A. Then one A square will come with this. Here also A square will come. A square will come. 16A square will come. 4A square. So it will come 4A. So here also 4A. So in our sum, here will be 3A by 5A. A cancel, the answer will be 3 by 5 only. Here also perpendicular 4A by 3A base. So A cancel, answer will be this only. So you consider A or not, answer will come same. Okay, next. That's all for this video.